Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Are you looking for a new drive for your self-built PC? Or perhaps your current PC's capacity doesn't meet your needs anymore? The Dahua C800A series SSD is a cost-effective solution. Here is the product box. You can find the model number information on the back. Inside the package is the SSD, the legal information booklet, a quick start guide, and a set of screws. Today, we'll be looking at the 500GB SSD. Multiple capacity options are available as well. The C800A series adopts a high-quality 3D wafer level chip and performance controller. The 500GB product offers a TBW of 200 terabytes and supports smart SMART, trim, and NCQ for better read and write performance. Compared to hard disks, the SSD is designed to process data and ensure multitasking at higher speeds while lowering power consumption. Let's test its performance, but first, we need to install it. It's very easy to connect to your PC or laptop. Now, let's test the speed. Boot up time is so fast that it feels like a new computer. Download the health analysis software on the product support webpage to check the health of your SSD. You can find the link in the description box below. Thanks for checking out this video. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.